Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the 12BB Orange Daiquiri. To make this drink, we're going to start with adding 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar into our shaker. 1 tablespoon, for those of you who want to convert the volume, is 5 milliliters. Next, half an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then the orange juice. 1 teaspoon of fresh squeezed orange juice. And note that is not a lot. It is only 5 milliliters, which is much less than the lime juice we're putting in. Now I'm going to give this a stir to help dissolve that sugar. Now we're going to add the rum. 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Get your ice, add your ice, and give it a shake. This one I am going to double strain because we've got the granulated sugar in there, and the orange juice and the lime juice. Garnish. This recipe does not call for a garnish. However, the orange juice is so weak in here, I'm actually going to do a twist of orange. And that worked much better than it has in the past. I must be getting better. Give it a twist, or not a twist, but a squirt, an expression, wipe, and drop. And there you have it. The 12BB Orange Daiquiri. Drink with good spirits.